Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
13 essential phrasal verbs with turn. Like and subscribe to the channel. Turn around. For meanings depending on the context. 1. To change direction or position. He turned around to see who was calling him. 2. To improve or reverse a situation. The company managed to turn around its financial situation within a year. 3. Personal transformation. After years of bad habits, she decided to turn her life around and started living a healthier lifestyle. 4. To complete a task quickly. We need to turn around the project by the end of the week. Turn away. Meanings: to refuse entry or reject someone. 1. Refusing entry. The restaurant was full, so they had to turn away several customers. 2. Avoiding or ignoring. She tried to talk to him, but he just turned away and ignored her. Turn back. Meaning: to return or reverse direction. Example: she decided to turn back after realizing she had forgotten her wallet. Turn down. Meaning: to refuse or reject something. Example: she turned down the job offer because the salary was too low. Turn in. Meaning: to submit or hand in something. Examples: make sure to turn in your report before the deadline. The librarian asked us to turn in the overdue books. Turn off. Meaning: to stop or switch off something. Examples: please turn off the lights when you leave the room. Don't forget to turn off the stove after cooking. Turn to. Meaning: to seek help or support from someone. Example: after losing his job, he turned to freelancing as a source of income. Turn on. Meaning: to start or switch on something. Examples: can you turn on the light? It's getting dark in here. She turned on her computer to check her emails. Turn out. Meaning: to produce or result in something, to attend. Examples: the event turned out to be a huge success. It's amazing how things turned out in the end. Turn over. Meaning: to flip or rotate something. To transfer possession. Examples: she turned over the page to continue reading the story. The waves caused the small boat to turn over. Turn away from. Meaning: to stop supporting or engaging with something. Examples: he turned away from his old habits and started living a healthier lifestyle. The dog turned away from the food it didn't like. Turn against. Meaning: to become hostile or opposed to someone or something. Example: after the disagreement, he turned against his former business partner. Turn up. Meaning: to arrive or appear unexpectedly, to increase. Example: she was surprised when her lost keys turned up in the couch cushions. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications,